back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about this MAC mini lipstick kit set that I have right here, and I'm not really sure how I feel about the packaging, first of all, because usually with these like packaging they just like show you like the lipstick, but this one has images of people in the front, so I don't really know how I feel about it. But anyways, so on the very back right here we have all of the lipsticks listed out, and then they have 3 different finishes. So they have 3 that are amplified creme lipstick, 1 that is luxurious lipstick, and then 1 that is a matte lipstick. And of course they also do have the ingredients listed for each and every one of them. Alright, so when you open this up, this is actually what you are going to see. So you have all your lipsticks right here, and the packaging is just so cute and adorable. These are really cute for like display, especially on like your makeup table or like any table that you probably have. I have to say, especially when I try to like take these like little mini lipsticks out, they are like a little bit difficult to take out from the packaging right here, because it is like, I don't want to say like tight glued in, but it is like a bit tight here, so you definitely do have to like push a little bit harder than usual. Alright, so as for these packaging, as I mentioned, they are so cute and adorable. I literally cannot get over them, and I really like how they color coordinate them, so you can just look at the color and be like, oh, I want to wear this color today. Alright, so when you open this up and twist this up, this is actually all the product you are getting. Alright, so since there are 3 different finishes, I'm actually going to talk about the first finish that is on the back right here, which is the 3 Amplify Creme lipstick that we have here, which are these 3 right here. So this one is in the color Double Dare. Did I just say Double Dare? I meant Double Date. And then this one is in the color Package Deal, and then the last one we have here, this is You Can't Chili with Us. Whoa. Alright, so as for these 3 lipsticks right here, they are amazing. Like, the color of the pigmentation is really good, so especially like when you apply it onto your lips, like one swipe, you can definitely just see the color. And I would have to say, if you do apply it really well, you only need 1 swipe. But if you do kind of like miss a little bit of like a spot, you can definitely build up the color. They are so creamy, very velvety, very like luxury. It feels so lightweight on the lips, but unfortunately these are not long lasting, so they do come off very easily, so which means you definitely do need to touch up if you do decide to wear it throughout the day. Alright, so moving on, let's talk about the matte finish one, and this one is called Velvet Teddy. Okay, as for this one, when you first apply on, it also has really good pigmentation, applies on really smooth, very well. You can definitely see it does have a matte finish to it, but I feel like this is kind of more of like, I want to say like a semi kind of matte finish, because it is also very creamy. Unfortunately, this one's also not long lasting at all. Okay, so the final one that we have here, this is the Lustrous lipstick right here, and as for this one too, it is actually really similar to the ones I just talked about. It has really good pigmentation, applies on the lips really well. Unfortunately, this is also not long lasting at all, and I have to say, especially for this color right here, it is a little bit too like dark, a little bit too deep for my liking. Alright, so let's try on all of these lip products. First ones that I'm going to start off with are these 3 right here. So these are the Crème lipsticks. Alright, what do you think of this color? I am absolutely in love. This is like the absolute perfect shade for me. I feel like this color is like literally made for me. Like, this is so natural. I can definitely wear this as like an everyday color. Alright, what do you you think of this next color? This is definitely very pretty too, but I feel like it is just a little bit, tad bit too dark for my liking. I would definitely probably like pat it down a little bit before wearing this. Alright, what are your thoughts on this color? Wow, it is bold and intense. This is something that I would definitely say for like a special occasion or like a special day. Something that I would definitely not wear that often. For you guys who have been watching me, I feel like this color just doesn't really like go well with my skin tone that much. Like if I want to get noticed, like this is the color that I would wear. Of this next color. This is definitely within the shade range of colors that I would choose to wear. I wouldn't necessarily say this is like an everyday color for me, but if I were to like go for like a very like neutral slash like a natural kind of look, like this is the lip color that I would definitely go for. For this final color, what do you guys think? You know, I have to say I am a little pleasantly surprised, especially when you look at the packaging and you look at like the color itself. For some reason in my mind I thought that it's going to be like a really like dark kind of color, but then when I went to apply it on my lips, it wasn't really that dark. And I have to say this is a color that I would also definitely wear. Like it's not too much, it has like a good balance where I do kind of want like a little bit of a tint on my lips but not too much. So this is definitely a really pretty gorgeous color. Final thoughts on these MAC mini lipsticks right here. I absolutely love them. I enjoyed all of them, especially all of the formulas are amazing in here, and I did purchase this during the Nordstrom sale. Like as of now the Nordstrom sale has ended, and I did check on the website and apparently they do not have this set anymore. So if any of you guys are considering or thinking about like purchasing a MAC lipstick but you don't really want to commit to like a full size one, like these are really such a great price to get, because you get like so many colors and you get like different finishes. So I know especially during the holiday season they're probably gonna come out with like another set, which I feel like is like a really good time to like get a deal on these. So if any of you guys have tried any MAC makeup, feel free to let me know what do you guys think, or do you guys have like a specific favorite MAC product? I'd actually love to hear about. So yeah, well that is it for today's video, and I should catch you guys later. Bye.